What if everything we thought we knew about space was wrong? What if the silent, empty void we see when we look up at the night sky is actually hiding secrets so massive, so mind-bending, they could change humanity forever? For decades, NASA has sent probes and telescopes into the darkest corners of our universe, expecting to find dust, rocks, maybe some ice. But what they found instead is so much crazier, so much more shocking than anyone could have possibly imagined. These aren't just small surprises, these are discoveries that have left the smartest scientists on Earth completely speechless. Today we're not just looking at stars, we're diving headfirst into the biggest mysteries ever recorded by NASA. We're counting down 5 shocking things NASA never ever expected to find in space. I've spent weeks digging through declassified reports and talking to experts to bring you these insane discoveries. We're going to look at mysterious signals from deep space that have no logical explanation. And we're going to explore objects moving through our solar system faster than anything we've ever seen. This is the craziest video I've ever made. Every single one of these discoveries is crazier than the last, but I promise you, what we have for number 1 is going to completely shatter your reality. It's a paradox so profound, it questions our very existence in the universe. You are not going to want to miss a single second of this. Let's get into it. Number 1 will blow your mind. Alright, kicking things off at number 5, we have something straight out of a science fiction movie. Imagine you're a scientist, middle of the night, listening to the quiet hum of a massive radio telescope. Years of nothing but background static. Then suddenly, 72 seconds. So powerful, so clear, so perfectly structured. It blares through your headphones and breaks all the rules. This isn't a random blip, this is the wow signal. 1977 Ohio State University's Big Ear. Astronomer Jerry Amon scanning data. A spike 30 times louder than background noise. It came from Sagittarius. A blank patch of sky, no known planets or stars. Amon circled the printout in red and wrote, "Wow." The signal had hallmarks of something artificial, hallmarks of something intelligent. A narrow band frequency, something natural just doesn't make that. It was as if someone was intentionally broadcasting at us. NASA and astronomers pointed every telescope at that spot. They've been listening for over 40 years. What did they hear? Nothing. Absolute silence. 72 seconds, then gone. One of astronomy's biggest unsolved mysteries. Natural phenomenon, our first eavesdrop on an alien conversation. NASA has no official explanation. Every simulation and test turned up nothing. A burst that looks exactly like an alien beacon. From a blank patch of sky, vanished forever. A cosmic ghost story haunting scientists, a message, a warning, a random fluke. To this day, no one knows. That's why the WOW signal remains one of NASA's most shocking discoveries. Coming in at number 4 is a discovery that completely changed our search for life beyond Earth. For centuries, we've looked at Mars as the red planet, a dead, dusty, frozen desert. NASA sent rovers there expecting to find nothing but rocks, craters. The official scientific consensus was that any water on Mars had evaporated billions of years ago. But what if I told you that NASA found evidence that liquid water might be flowing on Mars right now? In 2015, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter was just doing its usual job, mapping the surface of the planet from orbit. Then scientists noticed something incredibly strange. During the warmer Martian seasons, dark streaks would appear on the sides of craters on mountains. They would flow downwards, almost like little streams, and then fade away as the seasons got colder. For years they debated what these streaks could be. Were they just dust avalanches, some weird chemical reaction? Everyone was stumped. The big shock came when NASA used a spectrometer to analyze the light reflecting off these dark streaks. They found the chemical signature of hydrated salts. This is huge, because on Earth, these types of salts are known to lower the freezing point of water, allowing it to stay liquid in incredibly cold temperatures. It was the strongest evidence yet that what they were seeing wasn't just dust. It was briny water, salty water with salt crystals visible, flowing on the surface of modern-day Mars. The entire scientific community was stunned. This discovery was a complete game-changer. We've finally arrived at number 1. This isn't a discovery of something NASA found, but a terrifying discovery of what they haven't found. It's a mystery so profound, it makes you question everything. This is the Fermi paradox, the most shocking, mind-blowing reality of space exploration. The paradox is simple. Where is everybody? Our galaxy contains an estimated 400 billion stars. Most of those stars have planets. The Kepler Space Telescope found thousands of exoplanets. Statistically, there should be billions of Earth-like worlds, planets in the Goldilocks zone where liquid water and life could exist. Even if life is rare, the numbers imply the galaxy should be teeming with civilizations. Some of those planets are billions of years older than Earth. If a civilization had even a tiny head start, 1,000,000 years, they could have colonized the entire galaxy by now. Their radio signals should be flooding the cosmos. We should see evidence of massive engineering projects, Dyson spheres, starfaring fleets. We should see something. But when NASA and SETI listen, all they hear is silence. This is the terrifying truth. After all that searching and probability, we have found zero evidence. Not a single radio signal, not a single alien artifact, not a single sign of intelligence anywhere but here. This cosmic silence keeps astronomers up at night. It's called the Great Silence. It suggests something is preventing civilizations from revealing themselves. So what's the answer? Are we truly alone? The first and only intelligence? Is there a great filter that wipes civilizations out, or are they out there, deliberately hiding? The Fermi Paradox is NASA's ultimate shocking discovery. The universe seems empty, and we have no idea why. It's the biggest mystery of all time.